CDTV.net Dividend Report is brought to you in part by 1M3 Corporation, IT Solutions for Banking and Finance. Call them at 917-686-3485. That's 917-686-3485. I'm John Hanna, and here are the CDTV.net Dividend Report for Tuesday, March 31st, 2009. But first, here's today's CDTV.net top stories. Oxford Industries Incorporated. On a GAAP basis, the company reported a loss of $18.17 per diluted share in the fourth quarter, compared to a profit of 36 cents in the same period of the prior year. Excluding one-time items, earnings per diluted share were 6 cents. Analyst average estimates were 3 cents per share. J. Hicks Lennar, Chairman and CEO of Oxford Industries Incorporated, commented, "Our results have been impacted by perhaps the worst retail environment in the history of the company." He continued, "Our plans for the future incorporate a prudent and cautious view of fiscal 2009. Oxford Industries Incorporated is a producer and marketer of branded and private label apparel for men, women, and children." Steelcase Incorporated reported a net loss of $65.7 million, or a loss of 49 cents per share. That is compared to a net income of $30.6 million, or 22 cents per share, in the fourth quarter of the prior year. Analyst average estimates were a loss of a penny. Revenue fell to $654.9 million compared to $901.2 million in the prior year. Steelcase Incorporated, together with its subsidiaries, engages in the design, manufacture, and marketing of office furniture in North America and internationally. Lennar Corporation reported a net loss of $155.9 million, or a loss of 98 cents per diluted share, compared to the first quarter net loss of $88.2 million, or a loss of 56 cents per diluted share in 2008. Analyst average estimates were a loss of 64 cents per share. Revenues were down 44% to $593.1 million. Stuart Miller, President and Chief Executive Officer of Lennar Corporation, said, "The housing market continued its downward trend throughout our first quarter." He added, "While we are hopeful that the recent actions taken by the federal government will help stimulate housing demand and restore consumer confidence, we continue to adjust our business to adapt to market conditions." Lennar Corporation is one of the nation's largest home builders. Quest Diagnostics Incorporated will provide select laboratory testing services for free to qualified patients served through the Take Care Recovery Plan by Walgreens. The plan provides free healthcare services at Take Care clinics, which is available to qualified patients who lose their job on or after March 31st, 2009 and are uninsured. The offer runs through the end of the year. Quest Diagnostics Incorporated is the world's leading provider of diagnostic testing, information, and services. Walgreens is the nation's largest drug chain with fiscal 2008 sales of $59 billion. And now, the dividend report. American River Bankshares announced its first quarter cash dividend of 14 cents and change per share, payable on April 17 to shareholders of record on April 3, 2009. American River Bankshares is the parent company of American River Bank, a community business bank serving the greater Sacramento area in California. Weight Watchers International Incorporated announced that its board of directors declared its quarterly cash dividend of 17.5 cents per share. This quarterly dividend will be payable on April 17 to shareholders of record at the close of business on April 3, 2009. Weight Watchers International Incorporated is the world's leading provider of weight management services. The board of directors of CH Energy Group Incorporated declared a quarterly dividend of 54 cents per share, payable May 1st to holders of record as of April 9, 2009. CH Energy Group Incorporated, through its subsidiaries, engages in the electric utility, natural gas utility, and fuel distribution business. The board of directors of Hatteras Financial Corporation declared a quarterly dividend of $1.05 for the first quarter of 2009. The increased dividend will be paid on April 24th to stockholders of record on April 3rd, 2009. Hatteras Financial is a real estate investment trust. The board of directors of AT&T Incorporated declared a quarterly dividend of 41 cents a share on the company's common share. The dividend increase is payable on May 1st to stockholders of record at the close of business on April 9, 2009. 2009 is the 25th consecutive year in which the company has increased its quarterly dividend. AT&T Incorporated is a premier communications holding company. For more information about these dividends and other announcements, go to cdtv.net.